Generative Pre-trained Transformer (GPT) is a text generation deep learning model trained on the data available on the internet. It is used for question and answers, text summarization, machine translation, classification, code generation, and conversation AI before GPT-4. If you are new to this channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Wealthy Hustler. Most natural language processing (NLP) models were trained for particular tasks like classification, translation, etc. They all were using supervised learning. This type of learning comes with two issues: lack of annotated data and failure to generalize tasks. What's new in GPT-4? GPT-4 is releasing next week, and here are some things that we need to know about GPT-4. In a question-answer session at the AC10 online meetup, Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, confirmed the rumors about the launch of the GPT-4 model. In this section, we will be using that information and combining it with current trends to predict the model size, optimal parameter and compute, multimodality, sparsity, and performance. In a podcast, CEO of OpenAI said some groundbreaking things, which can take the AI game to a whole new level. GPT-4 will be better at generating computer code. One of the most impressive features of Chat GPT, and therefore GPT-3, is its ability to generate not just human languages, but computer languages too. This means that it can easily create computer code in a variety of programming languages, including JavaScript, Python, and C++, three of the languages most commonly used in software development, web development, and data analytics. Earlier this year, news broke that OpenAI was actively hiring programmers and software developers, and specifically programmers with competence in using human language to describe what their code does. This leads many to predict that future products, including GPT-4, will push AI even further to break new boundaries when it comes to generating computer code. This could lead to more powerful versions of tools, such as Microsoft's GitHub Copilot, which currently uses a fine-tuned version of GPT-3 to improve its ability to turn natural language into code. Some people will be disappointed by GPT-4. When something causes as much excitement as GPT-3 has done, there's an inevitability around the fact that the next iterations may not seem so groundbreaking. After all, once we've been amazed at a computer writing poetry, are we going to be as amazed a few years later by a computer writing slightly better poetry? This is a sentiment that's even been expressed by Altman himself, who said in an interview in January, "The GPT-4 rumor mill is a ridiculous thing. I don't know where it all comes from. People are begging to be disappointed, and they will be." Conversational capabilities. GPT-4 is more probable to have enhanced conversational capabilities compared to previous language models. Personalized information. GPT-4 is likely to have improved personalization capabilities compared to its predecessor, GPT-3. Personalization refers to the ability of a language model to understand and generate language based on the unique characteristics and preferences of an individual user. This could be achieved in a number of ways, including contextual information. GPT-4 could use contextual information to personalize its responses. User history. GPT-4 could also use a user's history to personalize its responses. User preferences. GPT-4 could also learn a user's preferences over time and use that information to generate more personalized responses. Here are some self-explanatory examples of how GPT-4 could personalize information for different users. Personalized news. GPT-4 could use a user's location and search history to personalize news articles. Personalized shopping recommendations. GPT-4 could use a user's shopping history and preferences to generate personalized shopping recommendations. Personalized language learning. GPT-4 could personalize language learning by tailoring its responses to the user's current level and learning style. Emotional intelligence. GPT-4 is expected to have improved emotional intelligence compared to previous language models. Emotional intelligence refers to the ability to understand and respond to human emotions in a natural and appropriate way. This could be achieved through advanced natural language processing techniques, such as sentiment analysis and emotional recognition that enable GPT-4 to recognize and respond to emotional cues in human language. By improving emotional intelligence, GPT-4 could become better at understanding and responding to the emotional needs of its users, making it a more human-like and engaging tool for communication and interaction. External knowledge. This model expected to have a larger number of external knowledge parameters compared to its predecessor, GPT-3. These external knowledge parameters refer to the pre-existing knowledge that the model can use to understand and generate language more accurately. In this context, external knowledge refers to information and knowledge that the model can use to supplement its learning beyond the text data it has been trained on. How GPT-4 is changing business forever. GPT-4 has the potential to change the business landscape in many ways. Let's take a closer look at how it can impact different aspects of business operations. Customer service and interactions. One of the key areas where GPT-4 can have a significant impact is customer service. Businesses can use this technology to provide real-time customer service through virtual assistants. These virtual assistants can be integrated into websites and mobile apps, providing customers with instant answers to their queries. This not only saves time and money for businesses, but also provides customers with an improved experience as they receive quick and accurate answers to their questions. Content creation and management. GPT-4 can also change the way businesses create and manage content. With its ability to understand and generate human-like text, businesses can use this technology to automate the creation of content for their websites and social media platforms. This can free up time for businesses to focus on other tasks, while still providing customers with high-quality and consistent content. Additionally, businesses can use GPT-4 to analyze and manage their existing content, providing insights into what works best for their customers and what needs improvement. Sales and marketing. Another area where GPT-4 can have a major impact is in sales and marketing. This technology can be used to automate the process of lead generation and qualification. By analyzing customer data and interactions, GPT-4 can identify potential customers and provide businesses with insights into how they can effectively target and engage with them. Furthermore, businesses can use GPT-4 to automate their email marketing campaigns, allowing them to send personalized and relevant messages to their customers. Business process automation. GPT-4 can also be used to automate various business processes, such as invoicing, payroll, and financial reporting. This technology can process large amounts of data and provide businesses with real-time insights into their financial performance. By automating these processes, businesses can reduce the risk of errors and increase efficiency, freeing up time and resources to focus on other areas of their business. Talent recruitment. Finally, GPT-4 can change the way businesses recruit and hire talent. This technology can be used to automate the process of reviewing resumes and conducting initial interviews. GPT-4 can analyze candidate data and provide businesses with insights into the candidate's skills and experience, allowing them to make more informed hiring decisions. Additionally, businesses can use GPT-4 to conduct virtual interviews, saving time and money while still providing candidates with a comprehensive and engaging interview experience. Conclusion: GPT-4 will be a text-only large language model with better performance on a similar size as GPT-3. It will also be more aligned with human commands and values. Just like GPT-3, GPT-4 will be used for various language applications, such as code generation, text summarization, language translation, classification, chatbot, and grammar correction. The new version of the model will be more secure, less biased, more accurate, and more aligned. It will also be cost-efficient and robust.